like this. Okay. My name is Teja Potočnik, and I invented a manufacturing platform for the integration of nanomaterials. I'm originally from Slovenia, and I moved to the UK to pursue a degree in material science and engineering, where I fell in love with nanomaterials. The problem we are solving is the ever-increasing demand for faster, more efficient, and more powerful microchips. This is because the demand of AI, quantum computing, and data storage users. Our invention can help with the manufacture of more energy-efficient chips using nanomaterials, which means that there can be enormous energy savings. So we're really trying to create a more sustainable world. In the future, we'd like to see our invention being used for the manufacture of advanced electronics, no matter the application. So the real advantage of our technology is that it can be applied to any material and any sort of electronic design. So we really hope to become the industry standard of integrating nanomaterials into advanced circuits. To all the inventors who are thinking about realizing their new idea, I would say just have an open mind and be brave.